Hi, I hope you can hear me. I'm sitting outside today. Um, I don't personally know anyone with concerns about their educational or career futures in America, but I know that that's quite prevalent. And I think one way to help people, if I were in that situation, was to encourage them to use free services. Um, for instance, I know like the libraries around here, the public libraries, do a lot of tutoring for kids, after school tutoring. That's free. They often provide meals as well if that's a problem. I know there's a lot of career counseling specifically for um, different cultures, as well as like immigrants. There's a lot of services or organizations that can help with that. Resume reviews. Um, I think I'd probably point people towards websites which can give them opportunities to apply for things. So if they don't know how to get their name out there, just giving them some insight into where they can look. Personal connections, reaching out. I think social media is a good platform, especially if you have people that are really good workers and just haven't had an opportunity. And specifically, I'm thinking more about immigrant families. I know there's a lot of groups right now that are trying to help Syrian refugees in particular, but also people from other countries as well. I know there's like Syrian refugee counseling after school, that they've gone after that group knowing that they will definitely be struggling due to cultural differences, not necessarily just educational differences, but also a combination of both. And just giving them resources that they could use, and using, the knowledge that I have and the insight that I have that could just give them that extra leg up.